Certainly, here's a simple and nutritious recipe for a 10-month-old baby. Sweet potato and carrot mash, a nutrient-packed delight for your little one. Ingredients: gather 1 sweet potato, 2 carrots, and a half cup of water. These vegetables are rich in essential vitamins and minerals, providing a healthy boost for your baby's growth. Preparation: peel and chop the sweet potato and carrots into small, even-sized pieces. This ensures they cook uniformly and are easy for your baby to handle. Steaming: steam the vegetables until they are tender. Steaming helps retain the maximum nutrients compared to boiling, making it a healthier cooking option. Mashing: once the vegetables are soft, mash them thoroughly. You can use a fork or a baby food grinder for a smoother texture, suitable for a 10-month-old. Texture adjustment: if your baby is still transitioning to solid foods, add breast milk or formula to achieve the desired consistency. This helps in making the mash easier to swallow. Introduction of spices: at 10 months, you can start introducing mild spices. A pinch of cinnamon or a dash of mild herbs can enhance the flavor without overwhelming your baby's taste buds. Protein boost: to add protein, you can mix in a spoonful of plain Greek yogurt or finely shredded cooked chicken. Protein is essential for your baby's muscle development. Gradual introductions: if this is one of the first solid foods you're introducing, monitor your baby for any allergic reactions. Introduce new foods one at a time to identify and manage potential allergies. Variations: as your baby grows, you can experiment with different vegetable combinations. Or introduce quinoa or finely chopped fruits for added variety and nutritional value. Feeding time: feed this nutritious mash to your baby during a time when they are alert and interested in eating. Be patient, as it may take some time for them to get used to the new taste and texture. Remember to consult with your pediatrician before introducing new foods, and always be attentive to your baby's cues during feeding. This sweet potato and carrot mash provides a wholesome blend of nutrients crucial for your 10-month-old's development.